everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make professional AI ads using VEO3 and JSON Prompting. It's completely free. And by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up JSON prompt, generate your ad script, and turn it into a ready-to-use AI video. Okay, let's get started. First, let's quick talk about JSON prompting. JSON is basically a structured format that helps you give AI very detailed instructions. Instead of just typing a messy sentence, you can organize your requests into clear blocks like the scene descriptions, camera angle, durations, or product details. This will make your AI ads more accurate, consistent, and professional. Now to make this easier and faster, we will use the project feature to create a JSON prompt maker in ChatGPT. And if you don't know how to build one yet, don't worry, I have linked a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. So just go check that first, then come back here. And next, once your JSON prompt maker is ready, you don't have to write the JSONs manually anymore. You just type your request and it will generate a perfect JSON prompt for you. So just tap on menu and then choose JSON prompt maker in here, and then just type your prompt, for example like this. For example like this, you can make it as detailed as you want, like describe the product, the backgrounds, and the mood, or even the transitions. And when you're done, just hit generate this one. And then you will get a ready to use JSON prompt like this. Like this, and then just copy the prompt. And next, just head over to Google Flow. And then just create new projects. And then paste the prompt on prompt box like this. And don't forget to choose your method, text to video, and then just choose your model and your output number. You can also choose the aspect ratio that you like. In this tutorial, I will just choose landscape and then one output and then VEO3 flash. And after that, just hit generate. Okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's try to play it.
Unleash the power within.
Like this. In just a few steps, you can make ads that could easily sell for thousands of dollars without spending a cent. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.